Our team of skilled professionals brought their expertise and craftsmanship, ensuring no details were overlooked. We take immense pride in the work we do, and it's evident in every corner of this transformed property.
Welcome back to the remarkable journey of Treetop Group as we unveil the captivating transformation of 21 Plains Road. Join us as we guide you through the meticulous process that breathed new life into this once forgotten property. Witness the remarkable value created through Treetop's attention to detail and craftsmanship.
When we first discovered this property, we saw its incredible potential, even its worn state. Our goal was to create a space that blends modern amenity with timeless elegance, breathing new life into every corner.
The journey began with uncovering the hidden potential within 21 Plains Road. The Treetop team recognized the areas in need of improvement, from worn-out features to outdated design elements. The layout was basically very compartmentalized, which hindered the flow and openness of the space.
We knew that by addressing these issues, we could truly transform this property into something extraordinary. Our team embarked on a mission to create brilliance, one space at a time. The transformation of 21 Plains Road Weston has nothing short of extraordinary. We are thrilled to have breathed new life into this once forgotten property, creating remarkable value for our investor. But our journey doesn't end here. In the next video, we will show you how we effectively sell the value of 21 Plains Road Weston, revealing the outcome of our hard work and dedication. If you are as excited as we are about the luxury real estate and want to explore investment opportunity with Treetop Group, we would love to hear from you. Contact us today to discuss how you can become a valued partner with Treetop Group and benefit from our expertise in the luxury real estate market.